Like, is he putting on a show? My God. Oh my goodness. I'm videoing it.
He might sit down. Because he sat a couple times and just stopped. If it's the same one. I mean, sat.
Look at how long he is taking his time. He likes that honeysuckle. I want a whole house of it. A whole backyard. I mean, you know it's a vine. I never seen a hummingbird fly this long except for little mamas. And they had 2 or 3 she had there. They're very colorful. Oh my goodness, he's putting on a show. Man, he is hungry, huh? I got a minute and 17 seconds, ma'am, of it on video. Oh my gosh, look at that. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, okay. Well, I think we got enough that time.